Bay windows are a timeless architectural feature that can enhance the aesthetic appeal, functionality, and overall value of your home. For Kendall homeowners, where picturesque views and diverse home styles abound, bay windows are an excellent choice to upgrade your space. With their unique design and versatility, bay windows bring both practical and decorative benefits that make them a worthwhile investment. Here are the top benefits of installing bay windows in Kendall homes. Enhanced natural light bay windows are designed to maximize natural light, with their multi-pane structure allowing sunlight to enter from various angles. This creates a bright and airy atmosphere that makes any room feel more spacious and inviting. Benefits for Kendall homes. Enjoy abundant natural light year-round, especially during Kendall's sunny days. Reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, lowering energy consumption. Highlight the beauty of your interiors with enhanced illumination. The increased natural light not only boosts your home's aesthetics but also contributes to a healthier and more uplifting living environment. Expanded views. With their outward projection, bay windows provide a panoramic view of the outdoors. This makes them an ideal feature for Kendall homes, where lush greenery, vibrant landscapes, and tropical scenery are common. How it adds value. Create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Frame beautiful garden views, pool areas, or neighborhood streets. Add a sense of openness and tranquility to your living areas. Whether you're enjoying a morning coffee or a stunning sunset, bay windows offer a front-row seat to Kendall's natural beauty. Increased curb appeal. Bay windows are an architectural feature that instantly elevates the exterior of your home. Their distinctive design adds depth and character, making your property stand out in the neighborhood. Curb appeal enhancements. Add a touch of elegance to both traditional and modern home styles. Complement the Mediterranean, colonial, or contemporary designs commonly found in Kendall. Customize finishes, colors, and materials to match your home's aesthetic. A home with bay windows exudes charm and sophistication, creating a strong first impression for visitors and potential buyers. Additional living space. The outward projection of bay windows creates additional interior space, offering both functional and decorative possibilities. This extra area can be customized to meet your needs and lifestyle. Creative uses for the extra space. Window seats. Add a cozy spot for reading, relaxing, or enjoying the view. Storage. Incorporate built-in seating with hidden storage for a practical solution. Display area. Showcase plants, art, or decor on the extended sill. This added functionality makes bay windows a versatile feature that enhances the usability of your living spaces. Improved energy efficiency. Modern bay windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, helping to keep your home comfortable while reducing energy costs. Energy-saving features. Double or triple glazing. Minimize heat transfer and improve insulation. Low E glass. Reflect heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter. Insulated frames. Prevent air leaks and maintain a stable indoor temperature. These features are particularly valuable in Kendall's warm climate, where energy-efficient windows can help reduce cooling costs and improve overall comfort. Ventilation and airflow bay windows often include operable side windows, such as casement or double-hung styles, which allow for increased ventilation and airflow. Ventilation benefits. Enjoy fresh air circulation throughout your home. Reduce reliance on air conditioning, especially during cooler months. Maintain better indoor air quality in Kendall's humid climate. The combination of natural light and ventilation makes bay windows an excellent addition for enhancing your home's livability. Customization to fit your style. Bay windows are highly versatile and can be customized to suit your home's architectural style and personal preferences. Customization options. Choose frame materials like vinyl, aluminum, or wood to match your home's aesthetic. Add decorative grills or frosted glass for a unique touch. Select finishes and colors that complement your home's exterior. This flexibility ensures that your bay windows seamlessly blend with your home while adding a personalized element that reflects your style. Boosted property value. Bay windows are a sought-after feature that can increase your home's market value. Their combination of beauty, functionality, and energy efficiency appeals to potential buyers and makes your property stand out. Value-boosting factors. Enhanced curb appeal and interior aesthetics. Improved energy efficiency, which lowers utility costs. Additional living space that adds functionality and charm. For Kendall homeowners looking to invest in their property, bay windows offer a high return on investment by making your home more attractive and desirable. Timeless appeal. Bay windows have a classic and enduring design that never goes out of style. Whether your home leans toward traditional or modern aesthetics, bay windows provide a timeless look that enhances its character. Why it matters. Timeless designs ensure your home stays relevant and appealing over the years. Their versatility means they can be easily adapted to future design updates. By choosing bay windows, you're investing in a feature that will continue to add value and charm to your home for decades. Final thought. Bay windows are more than just a functional window style. They're an architectural statement that brings beauty, functionality, and value to your Kendall home. From expanding natural light and creating panoramic views to improving energy efficiency and boosting curb appeal, bay windows offer a wide range of benefits that make them a smart and stylish choice. Whether you're renovating or building new, consider installing bay windows to transform your home into a brighter, more inviting, and more valuable space. Work with a trusted professional in Kendall to design and install bay windows that perfectly match your home's style and your personal preferences.